Hi beautiful, welcome back to another Lita video. I'm back with another nail video. Finally, I'm doing my fill and I'm just giving you a little bit of satisfying footage here. Some nice satisfying content, okay? I remove all of the colored acrylic and yeah, I don't know why, it's just something so satisfying about watching it just like drill right off. But yeah, this does really take time. Right here it's on real time, so you guys can get an idea of what it looks like. But yeah, I did this in real time, and then I also did one of the stamping one of my nails in real time. So yeah, if you are new excuse me, if you are new, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe and join my little family here, my Lita family, like I like to say. And if you are one of my oldies but goodies, welcome back. Thank you for coming back and clicking on this video and always being here and showing support, okay? This was kind of like my take on Halloween. I kind of like something that's a little more, all nails are wearable, but for me, yeah, just I like it's a little bit more versatile. I don't know. You know what I'm trying to say. But yeah, it's just my take on Halloween nails, and I titled it my Glam Halloween nails. And yeah, in this video I actually go through, I put a clip in of every single step that I do, so you guys can get a really good idea of my process when I'm doing my nails. So I thought you would appreciate that. And what else can I tell you? I think that is it. I am gonna start doing like a first comment shout out. Maybe if I if I see comments, I will probably do start to do next our first comment shout outs. So yeah, look out for that. And what else? If you like this video and the set, please give me a big thumbs up. It helps me out a lot, and it'll help share the love and yeah, and share the video. So if you haven't followed me yet on IG, go ahead and do that. Yeah, let's be friends. Follow me on IG. You get a better look of the nail set. I do like more like close-ups, and you'll know when I'm gonna upload a new video. And also when you subscribe, hit that notification bell. So yeah, again, thank you for being here. I'm gonna let you guys watch and appreciate this satisfying video. I love watching these videos like this. Shout out to all of my nail girls on YouTube, every single one. It takes a lot of time and dedication to do this, and you really have to love it to do it. So shout out to all of you, and yeah, I appreciate you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.